Bard and ChatGPT. So recently I ran into a problem where my email setup for my personal email, which is amon@hasan.com, stopped working. I'm going to try to see how well Bard or OpenAI ChatGPT can help me solve that. So the problem I'm typing is my Google email is not receiving any emails ever since I switched over to a new DNS domain management tool. Can you help me debug? And I'm going to copy paste this and post this to ChatGPT as well. Let's see. So here it's giving me some answers. Let's see. This is pretty fast actually. Some answers. Make sure your email settings are correct. Include username and password. Yep, those are correct. Those are correct. Yes, those are correct. I suspect it has to do with my MX records. These are records you have to set when you look. OpenAI ChatGPT literally was the first thing it said. Hey, your MX records are not correct. So that's kind of one of the first. Oh wow. And Bard basically said I cannot help you with that. Right. So people who are claiming Bard is a lot better. I'm not so sure, but I do need to solve this problem. Let's see if I can go and set up. Okay, so let's see. So it said, hey, here's the. Don't send email to the MX record for your company before you come to Gmail. Change your MX records. Okay, that's I think what I do need to do. So I'm using Google Domain Manager, so I don't know. Google Cloud DNS, I think that's what it is. Or no, Google Domain. Okay. Before you begin, get ready to activate. Search for a different account. Okay. Let's see, I need to do this. All right, I'll be back. I'm going to read this for a second. Okay, so it looks like it's suggesting that I need to go to my Google domain settings and click into email and see if that has some issue that suggests. So I go in here and click into email and voila, it says there are no email MX records set up. Email from Google workspace might be flagged as spam. Okay, I gotta do these two things. Okay, let's add MX records for this. Add or remove people from Google workspace. I don't need to do that. But let's see, did that add the MX records? I can go check that. But there you go. I didn't have to do too much. I literally had to write the answer and it got me here where Bard was not able to. So I don't think Bard is unfortunately at a spot where it's doing a good job.